Hi friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. So today we are going to see the formula which is mod, the modulus. The modulus formula which we have already known in our school days as well. So how it will work is like it will give the remainder value of your particular number in the divisor. The same it will work in Excel as well. We are going to explain you how it will work. Before going to the video, if you're watching our channel first time, please do subscribe if you're liking our video, and if you're not liking, please mention the issues or like which you are lagging, put it in your valuable comments. We have done already 4 videos in Excel of 4 different formulas. Those video links will be in description. You can watch it. I have provided the same in description as well. Let's jump into the video. See, I have added the data which is we are using for the from the beginning. First we'll understand how this mod function works. Okay, just equal to type mod. It will show the syntax number and divisor. Now I'm giving the number as 4 and the divisor as 3, and I click on enter. You can see the value as 1, which means I am having the divisor of the value remainder is 1, which means that the number 4 is divided by 3, and next step I have a remainder of 1. So that's how it will shows. Now in the same formula, if I put mod and number is 4 and the divisor is 2, then it will be 0, which means that there is no remainder left over for this particular number in the divisor. This is how the mod function works. Now to with our data, I'm just giving a try how this mod and this divisor works. Okay, so we have already used the formula of count, and today I'm also adding a new formula of countif as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the number of values in the number of row items in this particular sheet. So we can see it's 244. Okay, now in this 244 line items, I need to know how much is the bar, right? So I'm using the countif formula. So this countif is a new one, it's a little advanced one. Just check it. Countif, lock the category, and with that one I need only criteria of bars, right? Bars means nothing like this, chocolates. Done. So we have 94 items of bars in the 244. So with the sales data of 244, we have 94 chocolates have been sold. Now I'm using our today's formula, which is mod equal to mod number is 244, total 244, and the divisor is 94, and let's see how much is the difference we are getting. So we are getting the 56, which means like 56 numbers are ahead of 94. So 94 plus 94 is 188. So 188, after that there is no divisible. See, if simple calculation like equal to 94 plus into 3, if you give, the value should be 282, but we have only 244. That means there is a difference of 56 in bit for the divisor by 3. 244 equal to 94 into 3 should be 282. So if this number is 282, we will get the modulus of 0, but we have the value of 244, which means we have 56 values lesser than difference of the value to get the modulus values. This is how the modulus work. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any challenges, please share your comments in our comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.